Now that we've finished performing the maintenance necessary on this direct vent fireplace insert, we're going to completely reassemble. So first step, we're putting the log assembly back in place. We're going to pick up the logs, put them back where they go. If you're unsure where they go, please be sure to consult your manual, as it's very important to put the logs back in the correct location, or they can cause flame impingement or an improper burn to your fireplace, which can cause a whole list of problems. Luckily with this model I'm very familiar with and know exactly how the logs are supposed to go back in. So we have the first log, our left top log, now our center log. Now that we have the logs put back into place, next we'll be replacing the glass assembly. It's very important replacing the glass assembly, as we've illustrated in other videos, to make sure the tabs are completely locked in place on all 4 spring clips. If you want more detail in replacing the glass assembly, you can please consult your manual or consult one of our other videos that specifically go over the replacement of the glass assembly. Now that the glass assembly is in place, next we'll be replacing the vanity panel. Once that's securely in place, next we close the safety screen. Our fireplace is ready for operation. Perfect. Once again, if you have any other questions, please consult one of our other videos here at Central Jersey Fireplace, or your local distributor, or your fireplace manual.